Hey guys, today I'm doing the master cylinder and my uncle's here. Ooh, I had it for like a week already or two, but I wanted to do the wheel cylinder before I did the master cylinder. I mean the wheel bearings, not the master cylinder. Wow, these are the wheel cylinders.
That one's gonna hold.
The whole thing moved.
Yeah, hold that one in place and move the other one up.
Ah, I think it went right there. Sucker.
Okay, that should be it. Should be able to do it.
Yeah, I think so. Manually, or not manually, but easier. Oh, sucker's on there.
Move the wrench back and forth this one. No. Move the wrench this way. Like that, but on the other one.
Oh.
Just keep doing that until it loosens up. No. Like, there you go, like it. Move it this way and that way. This way.
Like this or what?
Yeah, side to side, there you go. But more.
Oh
Okay.
shit.
Now you can do it.
Spills.
Okay. Now, I just leave my gas fine.
Okay.
Now what you need to do is go underneath the inside of the cab.
Hey guys, I made this hammer in school. I think when I was like, look how crooked it is. Look at these welds. Man, he's so fat. This thing's like 13 years old, from like 2006. No, that's when I graduated. So it's probably like 2003. Damn, that sucker's old. It's a what do you call it? It's an ancient caveman looking hammer.
Okay.
This is
those two bolts.
This is the screw that goes in the back of the brakes, or what?
That's what holds the brake linkage to your pedal.
You got to remove this before you take off the wheels, the master cylinder.
Yeah, before you pull it out.
Do we need a new grommet?
No. No, it's just a little bush. Don't get that rag on your paint. It'll start peeling the paint off.
Damn, bitch, how long is this one?
Damn, long-winded motherfucker.
Okay,
Okay, now slide it straight out. There you go. Tilt it back, that way it won't be leaking up. Okay. Remember, this lid leaks, so it might leak.
Uncle, I almost bought one without this, brand new. I could have used this, right?
Well, I don't know if you can reuse it.
Good thing I got one. Here, look, let's bring it out here. Even though the car is shitty. Oh, they're both the same. Right? Is it both the same? No. This one's a little bit taller.
Yeah, a little
this
bit
is
taller.
bigger here.
That's
This is
example.
different. Supposedly when you're pumping it like that, don't go too far because it might like mess up some kind of seal back here. I think it's that one.
You see? Well, it looks like it's it.
Oh yeah. Is it? I got the right one, huh?
Yeah. They just had to put the adapter on this one. This one over here.
Hell yeah.
And of course this right here.
Ordered the right one.
As soon as you push it in, it locks in.
Okay. We're gonna do it right now?
Yeah, because we're going to put this on, then we're going to fill it up, then we're going to start bleeding it.
And what does that thing do in there?
It locks in. There, it locked in. Then we do that. Get this.
Wow, man. This really like trips me out.
Come on, right there. Oh, come on, I had you. Okay.
Just like that?
Yeah, you can put this on.
What is this, cast iron?
Yeah, this is cast.
Shit. Oh, look at the number.
Bolt it back on.
Wow, man. That's some fucking crazy ingenuity right there going on. Pretty cool.
Because that is what's stopping you when you're going 60 or 90 miles down an hour.
I think that's why they upgraded and made it bigger, right? A little bit like that. Maybe that one's from a freaking 75. Who knows? Just put it in there? Straight?
Yep.
Oh. Just like that. That's it? Is it in there? Oh. Shit, this sucker's heavy. Hope you guys can see because this camera has shitty low light. But we're gonna try to. My uncle's gonna try to put. Need me to hold that up?
Yeah, see, you can hold this. Okay, you can let it go.
So you gotta remove that when you take off the master cylinder. Before you take off the master cylinder.
That's it.
Ooh, it's a hot one today. It's like 88 degrees. It's really nice out, but it's hot. This one goes to the back?
Yeah, the bigger one.
We're gonna bleed the blade. We're going to bleed the brakes right now. You don't want to put it on there tight, just snug, right?
Yeah, just those snug.
Oh shit. This has a little grommet.
Yeah, just take it off.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna bleed. This is how you bleed the brake, guys. Just like this. Don't tighten these on too tight, just regular.
Okay, now remove the top. Set it off to the side. Now this one, make it up to the. Just plug it into the back one.
How many?
A little bit more.
I put 2.
A little bit more. That's good. Now the little white clip, like that. Now clip it down. No, on the sidewall. No. There you go, right there. Okay.
It doesn't go right here, so this
No.
the other hose can go right there.
Nope. Right here. Got the other one?
Oh shit! I don't know that was 2. I thought that was just 1.
Now the hose connections they're both the same. One thing that's changing is the threads right there, and then plug it in there. Okay, now what gotta do is,
So what's this other side for, Uncle?
in case that one you break one side, you got the other side.
Because I saw the guy do it, and he put this
Well,
in
you
the
can do
middle.
that
You can
too.
do that too, so it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, now you got the brake hood.
Yeah.
Pour it in. Keep it about that far from the top.
Front or back?
The front and then the back, or the back and then the front. It doesn't matter.
How much?
Keep it about a ½ inch from filling all the way up.
So like about maybe right here.
You know, more. It's gonna be
Like
more.
right there.
Yeah, something like that.
Or it hasn't even touched the thing yet. Damn, we're gonna have to go to the store and get another one.
Probably. More. More. Okay. Put some more in the back. More. A little bit more. That's good. Okay.
There's a little bit in there. The front one is taking a lot in more than the back one. Yeah, the front and the back. Still doing it. I guess you do it until the bubbles stop, or what?
There's no bubbles coming out of the tube.
They're still coming out in the front and back. I think the front ones need more. I think it's sucking in air. You want me to do it so you can hear it? Like, in the front needs a little bit more. Because it when you press it down, it like sucks it and you hear like it's getting kind of air.
Okay.
Watch.
No, go ahead. Hold on. Go ahead. Shit, you can pump it with your hand. Hold on.
See you guys.
Okay.
Go?
Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah, keep going. So do it like I guess that's good. What do you think? It's not bubbling. It's not bubbling anymore. That's good. That means you got all the air out of the brake system. Okay. Okay.
Damn, I forgot about that bleeding tires too.
Okay.
Place that on there.
What I need you to do is get in the truck, and when I tell you go ahead, put your foot on the pedal, and
All the way down?
No, you're gonna push the pedal and hold it
All the way down.
all the way down,
Okay.
and don't let it go until I tell you.
Okay.
When I tell you go ahead and pump it again, you let it go, give it a second or two, and then don't pump it real fast. Just pump it slow
Okay.
and hold it until I tell you to let it go. Ready?
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and pump it. You got it?
All the way down, it's hard. There. It went all the way down.
Okay, hold it right there.
Now it went all the way down. Now it's all the way down.
Okay, go ahead and let it go. Pump it one more time. You got it?
Do I force it all the way down or just when it stops?
Just where it stops, and you're gonna keep putting pressure on it.
Well, it keeps going but slow and then bottoms out.
Okay,
It just bottoms out.
hold on.
Okay, now it just went all the way.
Okay, that's it.
Let it go?
Yeah.
Press it?
Just sit there and pump on it. Does it feel soft or hard?
Pretty hard.
Pretty hard? Okay. Okay, that's it.
Hey guys, we already finished with the master brake install, and there it is, guys, all shiny and chrome. And we tested and everything's good. Next we're gonna do the drum, not the drum, the I guess you could say the axle, the bearings in the middle of the axle. And that's basically it for right now. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.